Elon Musk had a dream. From a young age, he was captivated by the mysteries of the universe, often spending nights staring at the stars, wondering what lay beyond our planet. He saw a future where humanity transcended the bounds of Earth, venturing out to explore the cosmos. This vision was not just about adventure, it was about survival, ensuring the longevity of the human race by becoming a multiplanetary species. But in the early 21st century, space exploration seemed stuck in a rut. The excitement and momentum of the space race had dwindled, and the once thriving industry was now facing stagnation. NASA's shuttle program was nearing its end, and the dream of reaching Mars felt further away than ever. The challenges of space travel were immense, and the costs were astronomical. The spirit of innovation that had once defined the space race seemed to have faded. The world watched as space agencies struggled to find the funding and motivation to push the boundaries of exploration. Musk believed that the key to unlocking the cosmos was to make space travel more affordable and accessible. He envisioned a new era where space was not just the domain of governments but open to private enterprises and individuals. He envisioned a future where rockets were not single-use vehicles but could be flown again and again, like airplanes. This concept of reusability was revolutionary and promised to drastically cut down the costs associated with space travel. This radical idea of reusable rockets would drastically reduce the cost of spaceflight, opening up a new era of exploration and discovery. It was a bold vision, but one that Musk was determined to bring to life. Driven by this vision, Musk founded SpaceX in 2002. He was not deterred by the immense challenges that lay ahead. Instead, he saw them as opportunities to innovate and push the boundaries of what was possible. He poured his own fortune into the company, determined to make his dream a reality. Musk's commitment was unwavering, and he was willing to risk everything to see his vision come to fruition. His ambition was audacious, his timeline aggressive, and the challenges ahead were immense. Yet, Musk's relentless drive and innovative spirit inspired a new generation of engineers and scientists to join him on this ambitious journey. But Musk was undeterred, fueled by an unwavering belief in the potential of humanity to become a multiplanetary species. His journey was just beginning, and the spark he ignited would soon blaze a trail across the cosmos. The early days of SpaceX were marked by a scrappy, startup mentality. The team was small but incredibly dedicated, working in an environment that was more garage workshop than high-tech aerospace lab. The company's first headquarters was a converted warehouse in El Segundo, California, a far cry from the sleek, modern facilities they would later occupy. This humble beginning was a testament to their resourcefulness and determination. With a team of just a few dozen engineers and technicians working tirelessly to build the first Falcon 1 rocket, the atmosphere was electric. Every day brought new challenges and opportunities to innovate. Resources were tight, and the team often worked long hours fueled by pizza and sheer determination. Late nights and early mornings were the norm, as everyone was committed to the mission. There was a palpable sense of excitement and purpose in the air. Each team member knew they were part of something groundbreaking, something that could change the future of space travel. These were not just engineers building a rocket, they were pioneers forging a new path to the stars. Their work was not just about technology, it was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible. They faced countless technical challenges and setbacks, but their shared passion for space exploration kept them going. Every problem was a puzzle to be solved, every setback a lesson to be learned. The odds of success were slim, but they were determined to prove the doubters wrong. Their journey was filled with obstacles, but their unwavering belief in their mission drove them forward, one step at a time. Stones on the path to success. and they were hungry for more. The success of the Falcon 1 rocket caught the attention of NASA, which was looking for new ways to transport cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station. In 2008, SpaceX was awarded a $1.6 billion contract under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services program, a pivotal moment that provided the company with much-needed funding and validation. The partnership with NASA was a game-changer for SpaceX. It gave the company the resources and credibility it needed to accelerate its development of the Falcon 9 rocket, a much larger and more powerful launch vehicle capable of carrying significant payloads into orbit. The Falcon 9 would become the workhorse of SpaceX's fleet, launching satellites, cargo, and eventually astronauts into space. Section 6. The revolution of reusability. From the outset, Musk had envisioned rockets that could be flown and landed multiple times, just like airplanes. This vision was not just a dream, but a calculated strategy to revolutionize space travel. By reusing rockets, the cost of each mission could be significantly reduced, making space more accessible. This concept of reusability was central to his vision of reducing the cost of spaceflight. Traditional rockets were single-use, discarded after each mission, which made space travel prohibitively expensive. Musk's idea was to change this paradigm. In 2015, SpaceX achieved a major milestone when it successfully landed the first stage of a Falcon 9 rocket back on Earth after launching a payload into orbit. This was a historic moment, demonstrating that rockets could indeed be reused. This groundbreaking achievement marked a turning point in space exploration. It was a proof of concept that reusability was not only possible, but practical. The successful landing was celebrated worldwide and marked the beginning of a new era in space travel. Reusable rockets promised to drastically reduce the cost of launching payloads into space, making it more feasible for governments, businesses, and research institutions to access the final frontier. This innovation opened up new possibilities for scientific research, commercial ventures, and even space tourism. The Falcon 9's reusability has since become routine, further solidifying SpaceX's position as a leader in the aerospace industry. The success of the Falcon 9 has paved the way for future innovations, including the development of the Starship, which aims to take humanity to Mars and beyond. Section 7. Connecting the world from above. While SpaceX continued its work on reusable rockets and human spaceflight, it also embarked on an ambitious project to provide global internet coverage using a constellation of thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. This project, known as Starlink, aimed to bridge the digital divide and bring high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. Starlink has already begun to have a significant impact, providing internet access to underserved communities and disaster-stricken areas. The project has faced criticism for its potential to contribute to space debris and interfere with astronomical observations, but it has also been lauded for its potential to revolutionize global connectivity. Section 8. Destination Mars. While SpaceX has achieved remarkable success in various areas of space exploration, its ultimate goal remains to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. The company is currently developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to the Red Planet and beyond. Starship represents a significant leap forward in space technology, with its massive size and powerful engines. It is designed to be fully reusable, capable of traveling between Earth and Mars multiple times. The development of Starship is a testament to SpaceX's unwavering ambition and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. Section 9. A future written in the stars. From its humble beginnings in a converted warehouse, SpaceX has become a global force in the aerospace industry, challenging established norms and driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. The company's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the unwavering belief in the potential of space exploration. As SpaceX looks to the future, its sights are set on even more ambitious goals, establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars, sending humans deeper into our solar system, and ultimately, making humanity a multiplanetary species. The road ahead will be challenging, but if SpaceX's past is any indication, the future of space exploration